who willing to join us comment in the continuation of the conference that we will hold this year.
May I ask a question about this conference?
Of course, please ask your question.
What themes we will discuss in this conference?
Well, I will explain briefly the question you asked. The theme that will be discussed in this conference is about electric vehicle, and for details about the event will be explained by my coworker.
Thank you for taking the time to talk. I will explain some important things related to the international conference that we will hold for the next 5 days. Our company is currently developing a variety of electric vehicles, and therefore it is synergized with the automotive trends of this time because electric vehicles bring various kinds of benefits for buyers. That's all I can explain. Is there any question that will be asked about this conference?
Can you specify or predict how many participants will be present at this international conference?
For participants who will attend, so far there have been hundreds of participants who have registered on our website.
How about the location of the international conference?
For the conference location, because the conference that we will be holding is international, it will be held in Jakarta because Jakarta is very strategic location and is the area that has the most role in the continuity of the electric vehicle business.
Are you serious about holding in Jakarta? How about the details of cost of renting a ballroom and various other facilities? Jakarta is indeed very instrumental in terms of automotive consumption. However, Jakarta is also the area with the highest cost of living. This is centrally very influential in terms of cost in the cars.
I strongly agree with his opinion, even though other locations are also very supportive, such as Tangerang and other regions. And of course can reduce the budget of the conference so that it continues to run efficiently.
Okay, then if you both think like that, are there other locations that remain strategic but can support our international conference this year?
Well, I have an opinion for the location of the conference to be held in Tangerang because the location is the most strategic with the airport, so that invited guests from abroad can come to the event by saving time.
And of course, Tangerang is close to Jakarta.
Your opinion is very reasonable. I totally agree with the location you propose.
Are there any other suggestions regarding hotels to be used as location for this international conference?
I think not, because I also agree with his opinion.
Well, that means we all agree that an international conference will be held in Tangerang. Okay, can you explain which hotel we will make for the location for the international conference?
About the hotel, after I briefly researched, maybe Atria Hotel Garden Serpong is very qualified for our international conference because with various amenities for the hotel, it's very complete and the hotel also has a good reputation according to the TripAdvisor website.
May I ask a question for Mr. Aji?
Yes, of course, Mr. Ruben.
For the availability of capacity and the hotel, is it able to accommodate the number of participants who will attend later? Then, the issue of communication for guests and journalists present in connection with this international conference.
My opinion is that the hotel has a good capacity and has very good accommodation because the rating from the website is also very good and the hotel already has 4 stars. And certainly, they will not make their customers feel disappointed.
From Mr. Yusuf, do you have some suggestion for a suitable hotel location for our international conference?
Yes, sir. I have suggestion for the location of the hotel should be held, and the is for storytellers because the hotel has 5-star and certainly the facility inside are very efficient for the continuation for the conference and able to accommodate the number of participants who will attend and very certainly the accommodation for the quest and reports is standing very adequate.
I apologize in advance, but with a hotel like that, definitely the budget can be predicted to be greater than the Atria Hotel Ganding Serpong.
I understand that Mr. Raji, for various reasons including this conference will invite guests from various cities and from abroad. The company image must be very visible from the hotel rental it will decide. Therefore, I consider that their location is held outside the city of Jakarta.
Your decision has a point. I totally agree with that. What do you think, Mr. Ruben? Are there other responses in your mind?
Previously, I also agree with the opinion of Mr. Aji, but after hearing the response from Mr. Yusuf, it was very reasonable. This was also related to the company image.
I think so, Mr. Yusuf helped a lot for today. I feel very grateful for the advice you gave.
I took so too. What if you join the division, Mr. B?
I have that for you, Mr. Aji, but Mr. Fikri, for this offer that you give, maybe I will think again well.
Alright then, according to you. I will wait for news from you. Contact me if you have changed your mind. This meeting has already set out the location and hotel planning that we'll use for international conference. Then, what is the planning for the facilities that we'll need for this international conference?
Okay, for the planning, the facilities that we need, everything I have prepared in the list that I have prepared. I will read what facilities we will need at the international conference. The facilities we need such as adapters, audio, microphones, and other supporting equipment, as well as food menus for our participants.
If so, the planning for the equipment needed for this international conference as well prepared. Okay, next, how about the readiness in planning the agenda of the international conference?
I will explain to you that I have designed the agenda for the next 5 days. For the agenda that you can see in the document that I share.
This meeting has already set out the location and hotel planning that we will use for international conference.